I would like to bring on stage to take us through this really hot networking session we're about to get into.
Breaking down pat. Are you ready for that? Yes. Okay.
Start, grow, scale.
Main corporately, they've built a vertical for startups and scale-ups and entrepreneurs, because everything in the world of employees is changing now. You might be an employee in a large corporation, you probably have a side hack somewhere, and you're probably thinking about starting your own business.
About thoughts in the midbrain, is there either in the past or the future?
Are your heads ready to explode yet?
What's really exciting is that collaboration in many different elements is what you're saying, whether it's, through referrals, through suppliers, through affiliates.
Take this for what it might be.
If we think about the language of business today, let's think about it.
10 and hold.
$5 million to $80 million a year revenue in a 12-year period.
Literally, this is just a circle of people who are going to say hello.
Hi, I'm Jeremy, founder of Cubanoia. We're a social enterprise and clothing brand focused on making the world a better place for future generations.
Walk into my office at 7 a.m. and sit down in a chair and say, Carmen, I've got a crazy idea.
Woo, that's it. You know what? Let's all